Hello students, this is the continuation of chapter number 9, working with Flash CS3, and in this video I am going to show you shape tweening. So shape tweening is used to change the shape of one object into another, and you should remember one thing, that shape tween does not work if the object is converted into symbol. If you remember my last video where I have showed you how to create the motion tween, what we have done is we have converted the object into a symbol. But here, in creating shape tweening, we should not convert object into a symbol. We can create a wonderful morphing effect by using shape tweening. Now, in this case, we need two shapes. So, let us begin. Let me first close it. Let me go to the file and open a new Flash window. So this is my new Flash window and this is the stage. Now you need to draw any object that you want using the tool from the tools panel. So this is a tool panel. Whatever object you want to draw, you can select any of the tool and draw it. Now I want to draw one square, so I will use a rectangle tool here. So simply click on the rectangle tool. Now next you need to choose the stroke color. So let me select one of the stroke color and let me choose the fill color. Now let me slightly increase the thickness of the line and draw a square here. Now click on the first frame here. Go to the last frame till where you want to move the object. Suppose say I want to move the object till frame number 50, so I'll go and click on the frame number 50. That will be my last frame, and at the same time I'll right click the mouse button and I'll click on insert keyframe. Now you can see a black color and the whole frame from frame number 1 to frame number 50 has been converted into a gray color. You can also see a black dot on both the frame, that is the keyframe. So it will help you to convert one shape into another shape. Now while still on the last frame, what you need to do is you have to delete the object by pressing the delete key from the keyboard, and you need to draw a new object anywhere on the stage. So my object is already selected. I will press the delete key from the keyboard. My object got deleted. Now I want to draw a new object so that I can transform that square into a new object. So let me go to the rectangle tool and let me draw a circle or oval. So let me select the circle and let me change the stroke color to suppose say green, and let me give the fill color as this one. Now let me draw a circle somewhere at this corner. Now I have drawn the circle. Now select any frame between frame number 1, that is the first frame, and the last frame. So frame number 1 is my first frame and frame number 50 is my last frame. So in between this frame, you need to click in any of the frames. So let me click on this particular frame. Suppose say frame number 20. Right click the mouse button and click on shape tween. So if you remember that while creating a motion tween, we have clicked on create motion tween. Now we are creating a shape tween, so I will click on create shape tween from the drop down menu. Now what you can see is you can notice the change in the timeline window here. You can see a light green color throughout the frame from frame number 1 to frame number 50. You will see a solid arrow that appears between these two frames. Also you can note that the drawing that appears on the stage, see the drawing that appears on the stage, it is a mix of two shapes. Now go to the control and click on test movie and see how it looks like. So we call this as a shape tweening, where one shape converts into the another shape. So this is all in today's video. Along with this video, I will provide you the PDF file showing each and every steps how to create the shape tweening. So do practice at home. Thank you, children.